Hey everybody, and welcome to the first Fun Fact Friday. I have 2 questions to answer today. Thanks for your suggestions. The first is, how much water should I drink every day? So the simple answer is 64 ounces, but not everybody. Some people need to drink more, especially if you're particularly active, and it doesn't hurt to drink more to flush your body. But at the same time, drinking too much, particularly too much at once, can be dangerous. So be aware of that. I have this 32-ounce water bottle that I've had forever. It's all beat up, but I love it. I try and drink 4 of those a day, 2 of them by noon. So that's a gallon of water, 128 ounces. And I don't pee a lot any more than I think most people do, but you do have like some time to get used to it. So drinking water helps with suppressing your appetite, helps getting rid of toxins, and water follows water out of the body. So if you're feeling bloated, it actually will help, even though you think drinking water would be the last thing you would want to do. It also boosts your metabolism. So that's all for my water. The next question is, how often should I lift weights every week? So there was a large study that was done and on just the general population. And it found that the answer is 2 or 3 times a week. Honestly, there was no difference between 2 or 3. If you got a general circuit of the whole body, and it was generally 3 sets of 10 repetitions. So they did find that 1 time a week was not enough. You need more. But 2 to 3 was basically the same thing. So those of you that are crushed for time, 2 is great. Just make sure you get a total body circuit. Weight training is a wonderful addition to your program. Every one of my programs will have weight training. You increase your bone mineral density, and muscle has a higher resting metabolic rate than fat. Fat is basically nothing. So when you're just sitting around, you're burning calories. As a matter of fact, after a really heavy, intense workout session, not even really heavy, but just an intense workout session, your metabolism is up almost 10% for 72 hours afterwards, and you don't even have to do anything. You just lifted weights. Another fact is that we lose 10% strength every decade, from 20 to 80. So lift weights. And the other is that we lose half a pound of muscle every year from 20 to 80 as well. So muscle does not turn into fat, but when you lose muscle, it replaces with something, and it's usually fat. So here's my last example. For those of you who need an example, you have a 30-year-old woman, she's 120 pounds and 20% body fat. It's pretty good. For 20 years, until she's 50, she does not lift weights at all. She walks, she does cardio, but she does not lift weights. When she's 50, if she still weighs 120 pounds, then she has gained 10 pounds of body fat in those 20 years, and her body fat percentage has gone up over 28%. So even though the scale says the same, her clothes aren't fitting the same. So that's it for today. I'll see you next Friday. Thanks.